QRPFest, a hands-on ham radio event. Sponsored by the South Carolina QRP Club. Rain or shine, we gather under the pavilion for a day of radios, learning, and fun. Hams from all over bring their homebrew gear to share and inspire. We get on the air with real QRP stations. New hams always welcome. Thousands of electronic parts, free for the taking. We provide the tools, parts, and help. Just bring your curiosity. We serve up our famous QRP dogs and give away prizes every 30 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned ham or just getting started, come join us for QRP Fest.